To change your profile name in American Trucking Simulator, the first thing you need to do is launch the game and ensure that the profile that you want to rename is not using Steam Cloud. So per this tutorial, I have created a profile under the name of Tutorial. Now I'm going to rename this profile, or not rename it yet, we are going to do that, but I'm going to shut off Steam Cloud. Then we can quit the game after we have applied it. All new profiles as of the recent update are by default using Steam Cloud. After you've disabled Steam Cloud, you can go ahead and jump to your Documents folder and find the American Trucking Simulator folder within there. In here, you'll find a Profiles folder in which you will find as many profiles that you have created that currently do not use the Steam Cloud. If you want to keep Steam Cloud enabled, we will get to that towards the end of the video, but to rename a profile, you have to have Steam Cloud off. So these are just profile names within hex. So what you need to do is use this website that I've provided in description and choose hex to string. So if you want to figure out which profile you're renaming, go ahead and put it in here and you'll see the output down here. Now let's say we want to rename the profile to be, I don't know, ATS. As you can see here, it will convert it into a hex string. So if I were to do a more complicated string like American, generally you'll find that it's a long string like this. Now, it's up to you, but I'm pretty sure I've had better luck capitalizing the letters within this output. So oftentimes, I just like to go to a website called capitalizemytitle.com. In this website, you can just click on uppercase here, paste it there, and it will uppercase for it. As of right now, I'm just going to rename it to ATS. Since ATS is just numbers, we're just going to straight up copy this string, and you're going to rename the folder. But it's not as simple as that. While this is the first step, we have to go in the folder, and we have to decrypt this file called profile.sii. Make sure you do not decrypt any other profiles. So to decrypt this profile, you can go to this other link I found in the description. A very nice user has created and provided this program for us. You can find the download under Program Download, and you want to use this one, the big download button. I don't know if this will be different in the future, but as of right now, this is what it is. I already have this downloaded, and it is currently on my desktop, but after you've downloaded it, you want to extract it. Now you can put this on one side of your screen and go ahead and enable it on the other. From here, you're just going to want to click and drag profile.sii to SSL decrypt. Now, once you've done this, you can edit profile.sii, and instead of it being a bunch of random codes, it should now be plain text. From here, you want to find the key, which is titled profile name. Now, if your profile has special characters, such as hashtags, you need to put it in quotes, like this. But since my profile name is not including any special characters, all I need to do is put in exactly what you have converted to hex. You want to ensure that it is exactly the same thing. Otherwise, this will not work and the profile will not show up. I learned that the hard way. So what I like to do is I generally like to copy the text that I have put into here, or if you don't have it anymore, I like to convert the hex back to text and copy it from there. Once you've done it, just paste it there or type it in yourself, save the file, and then you can close it. After this, we need to make sure that the game is able to read the file, so you need to open the config file. And we're going to look for something under the name of save format. And generally this will be 0 by default. You want to set this to 2. After you've done that, we should have our profile renamed, and instead of it saying tutorial, it should be named ATS. So we're going to go ahead and launch the game. And as you can see here, the profile is renamed. Once you've renamed the profile, go ahead and enable Steam Cloud again, and it worked perfectly. From here on out, next time you go on to one of your other computers that you are using with Steam Cloud, or if you're just trying to save your files online in case you lose your current computer, it should use your new profile name instead of having to start with a completely new profile and a new profile picture and all of that stuff. So thank you everybody so much for watching.